All right, so we're in the week of March 1 through the 3rd. So we're supposed to cover nervous system and special senses this week. So it's chapter 7 and 8. You will also have a quiz over chapter 3, which is, or sorry, quiz number 3 over chapter 7 at the end of the week. So as far as exam 2, I will review that with you on Wednesday. All right, so with having drill this weekend, I haven't had a chance to really look at them with your work, but we'll go over it on Wednesday. Okay. So in the exam 3 review, so we're going to go over the components of this that deal with nervous system today. All right, so I'll kind of give you a few minutes to work on each section, and then we'll talk about them. All right, so the first section deals with medical conditions. So there's glaucoma, myopia, presbyopia, cataracts, cerebral palsy, encephalitis, Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, otitis, and choroiditis. All right, so you can check the full notes. You can check your chapter online, your e-text. If all those fails, you can also go to Google on that. But those are nervous system illnesses or related to your nervous system in some way. All right, so I'll give you all about 6 minutes to look those up. You can do this at home as well. So now we are covering the divisions of the nervous system: central, peripheral, afferent, efferent, somatic, autonomic, and sympathetic. All right. And you can do this at home as well. All right, let's go on to characteristics and functions of the parts of the nervous system. So things like the hypothalamus, the cerebrum, the cerebellum, the medulla oblongata, the pons, the thalamus, the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the temporal lobe, and the occipital lobe, and resting membrane potential. Okay, so let's work on those. All right, give you about 10 minutes to do that. You can do this at home as well. Okay, so I'll give you about 10 minutes to work on neurons and neuroglia. So the axons, the dendrite, cell bodies, myelin, gray matter, white matter, the horns, the nistal bodies, and then for neuroglia, the microglia, the astrocytes, the oligodendria, and the ganglia. And you can do this at home as well. All right, so now let's go over internuncial or association neurons, afferent neurons, and efferent neurons. You can do this at home as well. All right, so that has been the information on chapter 7, the nervous system.